What's up, guys? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, we will explain the trades that we provide in both the free group and the VIP group. If you are new here and want to join us, the link is available in the description. Go and check it out. So let's get started with the video. This was the first trade that we provided in the free group on AUDCAD for a call side, upside move. The logic behind this trade is that you can see a downtrend, and after that, there was a strong support level. From that level, we provided a signal for the upside move, and this was a clean win. Let's move on to the second trade, which we provided on AUDCAD for a downside move in the VIP group. The logic behind this trade was that the previous green candle left a wick towards the downside. That's why we provided a signal for the downside move, and this was another clean win. Now let's move on to the next trade, which we provided on EURCHF for a call side move. Here you can see an uptrend, and there was also a moving average. That's why we provided a signal for the upside move. If you notice carefully, there was also a support level, which made this trade even stronger. This was also a clean win. So, the session ended here, and we won 3 non-martingale trades. If you want to join us, the link is available in the description, and you can also text us on Telegram at B-Binary Support. All the links are in the description, so go and check them out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Till then, see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.